Hi, it's Lynette here. So thank you for joining me. I have a massive box and it actually says item over 11 kilo. It is my Cherryz haul. Now I was really lucky that Cherryz have got in touch with me again to gift me £30 voucher to spend on whatever I wanted from their app. Now I spent £31 and then I thought it was going to add postage and packaging on and it took it off, so I only had to pay an extra £1 odds over, and I ordered it not last night but the night before, so I thought I'll have to wait a few days because it was like 11 o'clock at night when I ordered it and it's arrived today, so you know, one working day and it was here, which is absolutely amazing. I don't know how they actually did that, got it all in here. So there's got a few sweetie items, that's courtesy of letting my husband pick some bits and pieces, and the rest is a bit of a mishmash of kind of household and cleaning things. So I'll just go through them one by one, pull them out the box, and I'll tell you a bit about them. So first of all, I'm going to actually put the box on the floor. So most of the items I've ordered are £1 or just under or slightly over. Nothing was you know, overly expensive, to be honest with you. Maybe a couple of the sprays were about £2, but that was about it. So fantastic value. First thing I have here is the round cotton pads. Now there's 120 pads in here, and I have been trying to use the reusable cotton pads, but sometimes I need them for like taking nail polish off with a nail polish remover rather than the wipes. I thought I'd pick up some of these. I also picked up, now I've just bought one of these cloths for the window. It's the Minky M Cloth, so it's a high-tech duster. So it says extra strength microfibers to capture dust and dirt, and chemical free, so you don't actually have to put anything on when you use these cloths. The same with the glass cloth, it says chemical free cleaning and no smears, no streaks. So I've got a unit in the living room that's black and it's kind of shiny, so I'll be interested to see how I get on with that, so I can let you know if you're interested how I got on with those products. I think my husband popped these in the box, skinny bars. Now I usually pick up some of these when I go to Home Bargains, but you can get them from everywhere now, kind of like B&M, Home Bargains, Pound Stretchers, but they're really nice, skinny but guilt free, less than 99 calories, so he can have the toffee one. A couple of bits and pieces here, blowing the diet right out the window. A couple of bits and pieces here that I might have ordered. So Aero Festive Snowy White, like that's going to be around at Christmas time. Terry's Orange Chocolate White. Oh, I love white chocolate. But chocolate orange, I've never tried white chocolate orange. And Dairy Milk Caramel, which is amazing. I love Dairy Milk and I love caramel, but it's usually Galaxy Caramel, but the Dairy Milk Caramel is gorgeous. What else? Food wise, 2 packets of Toffee Pops for £1. These take me back to being a kid. Toffee Pops. Steve ordered these. I think he thought it was the big, you know, the family size big pack rather than the grab bag. So he's going to be a bit disappointed, but hey ho, it's all good. I picked this up, the Impulse body mist, and it says Rainbow Fund Love is Love. The lid's just come off it a bit, so I'll spit. Oh, that's lovely. Now, I think Impulse were going through a stage, this is limited edition, but they were going through a stage where they were doing lots of, like, what was it, leather jacket and marshmallow and apple fizz and fairground or something. So I think that's kind of from the same range, but it smells amazing. Love a little body mist. I say that it could probably be unisex. It's not too sweet. Astonish non-bio 2-in-1 liquid, super concentrate with built-in fabric conditioner, lavender and ylang ylang, 28 washes, there we go. So what I like about this is it's cruelty free and it's usually vegan, but I can't see the vegan thing here. But Astonish is cruelty free and it's usually vegan if I can find the sign, because who knew they put fat, animal fat, through conditioners? Oh, that smells lovely. So there we go. also picked up the pink stuff, the Miracle Toilet Cleaner. This is vegan, thick cleaning gel, removes stains and lime scales. So I'm looking forward to trying that. So I bleach the toilets probably once a week, trying not to do it any more than that, but I would use that through the week, a toilet cleaner. Don't know if it's any better, but it's got to be better than bleach. The pink stuff, the Miracle Bathroom Foam Cleaner. This is really nice. I've used this before. It doesn't smear, it doesn't streak, and it leaves your bathroom surfaces looking really nice. It's not, so if you wanted something that maybe had bleach for really tough stains, it won't do that, but it will do everyday kind of bathroom cleaning. Oh, some refuge sacks. It says extra value. And they're supposed to be strong, however, they're kind of just like regular ones. They're not the big, tough, strong ones that you can get. And, oh, I've never tried this. I love Fabulosa. So this is lime, basil and mandarin. Fabulosa Dazzling Bathroom. It says removes lime scale and soap scum, kills 99.9% of viruses, and effective bathroom cleaning. And that is vegan too. So I don't know if you've ever tried Fabulosa, but the range that they've got now is amazing. Yeah, they're just bringing it out in all sorts of things. I think it started off just as disinfectants, and the range is massive now. And this is another one of the range which I really love. So it's a laundry cleanser. Now, I didn't know what a laundry cleanser was until probably last year when I accidentally picked up the massive Dettol laundry cleanser. And what it does is allows you to clean your washing in like temperatures of 20 degrees rather than going up to 60 to kill things off. So it's also vegan as well. It kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. So there's 20 washes in here and it eliminates odours. So I would use this, I throw a wee bit in everything. I wouldn't use this to wash like my bedspreads and stuff. I would still wash those at 60. However, if like, you know, the boys, they're working t-shirts and things, I would put those on at a 30 and pop some of this through. So I really don't like washing in a hot temperature unless it's towels and bedding. So that is really good for disinfecting your clothes. There might be a bit of a theme here actually. I must have been kind of thinking I needed more of these things. And this is Surf Coconut Splash laundry liquid. So, you know me, I love coconut. Oh, it just reminds me of holiday. So there we go. So I'm really hoping that that smell comes out. So it says you can wash things kind of 30 degrees with this. It's got 30 degrees and it's got the little cold bit there. There we go. What else have I got? I've got the Astonished Non-Bio 2-in-1 liquid, and it's tropical papaya and passion fruit. Yeah, there's definitely a theme going on here, isn't there? Oh, that smells gorgeous. Oh, that smells absolutely gorgeous. And last but not least, well, it's not actually last, but last to the same theme, Lenore Outdoorable, as if dried outside, 36 washes, ultra concentrated fabric softener. So this is the equivalent of 2.5 bottles. So I think that's really good. Reducing the amount of packaging that you need to the amount of water and as well in here will be reduced. And you can also recycle it. It would be good if it was made from recyclable plastic, but I'm not sure if it is. But anyway, it's a good start, isn't it? I also picked this up, elbow grease. I love their degreaser spray, but this is a stem remover bar, so it contains enzymes and it's not got any bleach, so you rub directly onto the stain. Now, I am really clumsy and I'm forever spilling things down me, and Stephen, my son, is exactly the same. So it will get its uses, believe me. And I must have been feeling in a Christmas kind of mood. So Dairy Milk Winter Orange Edition. So there we go. I also got one of these Dove moisturising creams. Smell of that one's lovely. It's really fresh, and it doesn't seem to mark any of your clothes. And then I picked up these set of 2 little candles, Berry Royale. There we go, set of 2 candles. Oh, they smell amazing. Can you believe, right, I'm just gonna, you've seen everything I've got. Everything was like £30, you know, like £31.70 or something, but basically £30. I got bathroom cleaners, I got lots of laundry stuff, I got, you know, lots of treats, got this, cotton candles, stain bars, deodorants, you know, refuge stacks, more laundry stuff. I think the value is fantastic for 30 quid. Oh, and the impulse. I think I got absolutely loads, so I am over the moon. But they have also given me a code, and I'll pop it down below, that gives you 20% off if you are a first time shopping with them. So you download the app, and then when it comes to the end, you put in your code. I think it's Lynette 20, but I will check that, and I'll pop that in the description bar below if you want to go on and have a look. It's a fantastic app. It's got everything you can think of, and it's in various different sections. So there's brands. They do a lot more food as well, which I think would be really good if you couldn't, you know, if you were kind of struggling to leave the house. You could pick up loads of stuff really cheap that way, and they deliver it like within a day. That's, it does say kind of like, is it 3 to 6 days, but that was like do you know what I mean? 1 working day. So I'm really, really blown away by that. So just thank you to Cherryz. I had an absolute blast picking my items, and I will definitely be back to order some more. So let me know what you think, what I got. Have you tried anything here that I have? Everybody's got to have tried a Toffee Pop, haven't they? So anyway guys, there's lots of new products for me that I haven't tried, so I'm really excited to try those. But I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.